giant blue Snickers, huge rainbow Skittles, and tiny rainbow Nutella? Check out new recipes of unicorn candies from a magical genie in our new video. Miss Gonzales is coming up with new magical recipes, and Unicorn comes to help her create yummy things. Oh, someone's knocking on the door. There's a delivery for Miss Gonzales. What's there in this box? Unicorn can't hold back her curiosity, and she opens the parcel while Miss Gonzales isn't there. Wow! What a beautiful bottle! She wonders what's inside it. Unicorn just can't deal with the cork. And here comes Miss Gonzales. There you go! I just left for a minute and here you are, opening my parcel. It was delivered to me. You can't touch someone's stuff. Wow! What a cute thing! Miss Gonzales opens the bottle. Oh, what was that? And where is Miss Gonzales? Poor Unicorn is scared. And who is that? The spirit of a genie from the bottle possesses our beloved Miss Gonzales. Meet Miss Genie. Get ready for cooking wonders. And here is the first dish, a giant blue Snickers bar. Add 13 fluid ounces of water to 64 ounces of sugar. Cook the sugar syrup until it thickens by boiling it for approximately 30 minutes. Add 10 ounces of glucose and cook it for 10 more minutes. Whip 8 egg whites. Keep beating the whites and gradually pour in the hot sugar syrup. Continue whipping until it cools down. Color the cream with purple food coloring. Coat a rectangular mold with vegetable oil. Put in the creamy mass and let it harden in a fridge for 20 minutes. Melt chocolate glaze and put in food coloring. Spread a layer of blue glaze on parchment paper. Place the hardened nougat on top. Sprinkle it with peanuts and add some caramel topping. Cover it with colored glaze. Make notches and let it harden. Cut off the excess with a knife when the bar is ready. Wrap it in a big piece of blue paper. Hot glue a package. Cut the edges to make a zigzag. And attach a big rainbow Snickers label. Wow! Unicorn loves unusual sweets, and this blue Snickers from Miss Genie is so unique. Let's taste it. Mmm, colorful nougat and peanuts. This giant Snickers is just finger-licking. It would be so rude to not thank Miss Genie. Unicorn gives Miss Genie her mini version of Snickers. Melt white chocolate. Color it using oil-based powdered food coloring. Put in edible glitter. Sprinkle a rectangular silicone mold with the glitter. Pour some chocolate in it and spread it over the walls. Let it harden. Pour caramel topping from 2 sides. Put halves of peanuts on it. You can use Toffees instead of nougat. Cut them into rectangular pieces and put them on top of the peanuts. Be sure to leave the middle of the mold empty. Pour the remains of the colored chocolate on top and even out the surface. Refrigerate to harden. Cut the candy bar in half when it's ready. Even out the edges. Make a package out of glittering rainbow paper. Put the bars inside. Cut the edges to make a zigzag and attach a printed label. Miss Genie is touched. She didn't expect to get such a nice present. This baby Snickers is very delicious, but Unicorn is hungry again. Miss Genie will have to share. Miss Jeannie is astral projecting somewhere and she's not coming back anytime soon. And Unicorn is busy with her favorite meditation. She's chewing on something. One pack of Skittles goes down after another. The sound of rustling and munching breaks through Miss Jeannie's concentration. She gives this creature giant Skittles in order to calm her down. Roll out white fondant to make a circle. Put Skittles in the center. Cover them with a thin layer of fondant. Fold up the edges. Sprinkle with cornstarch and polish it. Dampen the surface with water and attach strips of colored fondant. Sprinkle it with cornstarch and polish the top layer. Remove the excess cornstarch. Cut out a silhouette of the letter S. Cover the letter with edible glue and fasten a strip of white fondant. Wrap the candy in a big piece of white paper. Cut the edges of the wrapper and attach a label. That's quite a present! Unicorn adores Skittles, and this is her favorite size. Eating candies alone is not very nice. Unicorn wants to share with Miss Jeannie. I'll bet you anything there aren't sweets like this on your astral journey. Unicorn is in 7th heaven with her big candy. But Miss Jeannie reveals the secret. If you break the big candy open, there will be a lot of little candies inside. Oh my goodness! The revived spirit of the genie is warming up her muscles after being confined for a long time. And Unicorn wants some sweet snacks to eat with her cocktail. There you go! Regular Pepero! Unicorn expected something more magical, but you get what you get. And Miss Jeannie is preparing a spell. Pepero Maximus! Wow! Cut parchment paper into strips. Roll each one so that its diameter is slightly bigger than a breadstick. Fasten it with tape. Close one end. Put colored chocolate chips into a confectionery bag. Tie it up with a rubber band and put it into hot water. Wait for the chocolate to melt and pour it into the parchment paper mold. Fill less than a half of the tube and insert 2 breadsticks. Put them into a fridge. Do the same with chocolate of different colors. Cut and remove the parchment paper when the chocolate hardens. Make a cardboard box using a template. Coat it with acrylic spray paint. Score lines for bending and assemble the box. Fasten it with hot glue. Print out a Pepero label and attach it to the box. And put the chocolate sticks inside. Giant colored Pepero appeared in Unicorn's hands. Magic definitely has something to do with it. But Miss Jeannie says that she's not involved. Well, she's quietly chewing on a crunchy stick herself. Even genies love these sweets. Miss Jeannie is trying to conjure a super sweet and cute candy masterpiece, but Unicorn prefers regular wafer sticks. She distracts the cooking genie with her crunch. You really can't see that there is magic at work here? Unicorn wants to eat, but Miss Jeannie takes her wafer sticks away. Time to get sad! Miss Jeannie takes out something to make Unicorn stop whining. She takes out, oh no, she conjures up a mini bar of chocolate. Melt white chocolate chips. Put colorful sprinkles into a chocolate mold. Fill 4 squares with melted chocolate. Decorate them with sprinkles. Let them freeze. Even out the edges of the bar when it's ready. Wrap the bar of chocolate in pink paper. Cut the edges to make a zigzag and attach a mini label. What a sweet little miniature! This tiny pink Hershey's is exactly what unicorns love. Just take a look at these rainbow sprinkles. Unicorn puts it into her mouth right away. The cooking god is not used to such warm hugs. Easy! Or you will crumple my blue aura. Unicorn really wants to pay Miss Jeannie back. She has prepared something incredible. Something awesome. Oh, where is it? There it is! Miss Jeannie looks at this teenie at a loss, and Unicorn persuades her to taste the miniature Nutella flavored with rainbows. Melt white chocolate. Put in some soft butter. Crumble hazelnuts in a blender and add them to the melted chocolate. Divide the mixture into parts and add different food coloring to each. Put the colored chocolate spread into a little jar, layer by layer. Attach a mini Nutella label. Miss Jeannie just has to try out this teeny-weeny snack. Unicorn is so proud of her masterpiece. She really wants Miss Jeannie to like it too. Miss Jeannie says no for a long time, but Unicorn is a very persistent creature. Fine! Miss Jeannie will taste the rainbow Nutella. It is surprisingly tasty. Unicorn did a great job. She can also become a cooking goddess when she grows up. Did you like our giant and miniature sweets? Then write in the comments which sweet you would like to get from a genie. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new cooking makeovers on Troom.